Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel CS TradeInsights. In my previous video, I shared the 4 best investment options for beginners: recurring deposits, gold and silver, mutual funds, and the stock market. And in this video, we are starting with the safest and easiest investment option: recurring deposits, also called RD. But before we understand RD, I want to clarify one thing. You might be wondering why I suggested recurring deposit instead of fixed deposit in the previous video. This is very important to understand. Fixed deposits are great, but they are made for people who already have lump sum money. For example, if someone already has 50,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees sitting in their bank account, then they can easily open a fixed deposit. But let's be honest. Most people don't have big savings ready. Most people earn monthly salary. Most people can save only 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees every month. So how will they do fixed deposit? They cannot wait 3 to 4 years just to collect lump sum money. That's exactly why recurring deposit exists. Recurring deposit is basically a monthly fixed deposit. Instead of investing one big amount, you invest small money every month and the bank gives guaranteed interest. This builds savings automatically and creates financial discipline. That is why RD is perfect for beginners, students, and salary employees. Now let's understand what exactly a recurring deposit is. Recurring deposit is a bank investment where you deposit a fixed amount every month for a fixed time period. The bank gives you guaranteed interest, and at the end of the time period, you get the full maturity amount. There is no market risk, no tension. Your money is safe because it is in the bank. Now let's talk about returns. Currently in India, recurring deposit interest rates are around 6% to 8% per year. Government banks usually give around 6% to 7%, and private banks give around 7% to 8%. Let's take a safe average return of 7% and understand with real examples. Imagine you invest 5,000 rupees every month for 5 years. 5 years means 60 months. Total money you invest will be 5,000 rupees times 60 equals 300,000 rupees. Now the bank adds interest every quarter. After 5 years at around 7% interest, your maturity amount becomes approximately 3,55,000 rupees. You invested 3 lakh rupees and earned about 55,000 rupees interest without taking any risk. This is the power of small monthly savings. This is why RD is called a discipline builder. Now let's talk about the best banks for recurring deposits in India. If you prefer government banks, the best options are SBI, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, and Union Bank. If you prefer private banks, the best options are HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, and Kotak Mahindra Bank. Now the big question. Government bank or private bank? Which is better? Government banks are known for safety and trust because they are backed by the government. They are perfect for people who want maximum safety and peace of mind. But the interest rates are slightly lower. Private banks usually offer slightly higher interest rates and better mobile apps and services. They are fast and convenient, but compared to government banks, they are slightly less safe, although still safe for RD. So if your priority is safety, you can choose SBI or any government bank. If your priority is slightly higher returns and better service, you can choose HDFC or ICICI. Now let's see who should invest in recurring deposits. RD is perfect for beginners in finance, people who cannot take risk, monthly salary earners, and people saving for short-term goals like emergency fund, buying a bike, buying a phone, marriage savings, or any goal within 1 to 5 years. Recurring deposit is the first step of your investment journey. Before you open an RD, remember these important tips. Start small but stay consistent. Never break your RD before maturity. Always choose auto debit every month. And think of RD as forced savings. Remember one thing. Recurring deposit is not for becoming rich. It is for becoming financially disciplined. RD builds your savings habit, and later, mutual funds and stock market will build your wealth. That is why RD is the first step. In the next video, we will talk about gold and silver investment. So make sure you subscribe to the CS TradeInsights channel and continue your investment journey with me. See you in the next video.